Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. For our latest vlog, tungkol po sa ating week 13 ng Star Wars for news at subscribe to our YouTube channel. Gusto mag-likes, shares, comments, at views, aabuti ng 500. Isuportan natin sa ating social media accounts for today's latest vlog, 422, episode 422, entitled 17 Star Wars for Music, week 13 na. Here's your vlog. Okay, panoorin natin ang highlights. Ayan, last week, mga concert pills sa female, male, at group concert performer at concert of the year. This week, usapang major awards. At una muna natin para sa 70 Star Wars for Music 2025-2026. Ito na. Dual Group Artist of the Year po tayo. The finalists are ayan. The finalists are Ben and Ben, Beanie, Cup of Joe, Lola Amor, SB19, Sponge Cola, and The Ones. Okay, my prediction para mananalo ng ganyan klaseng category. Meron din 2. Kasi my favorite ko 2. Prediction ko yan. Beanie and SB90. For Beanie's Taalalawan album and Salamin, which is the phenomenon global song on the charts dati. While the song Kalakal by SB90 featuring Gok9, yan naman nanalo, if necessarily. Sa June 25, manalaman ko sino yung wagi sa San Juan City. Kaya good na lang sa mga banda, dual group, anywhere you are. Kaya good luck naman sa mga finalists. And for the recorded artists of the year, here are some finalists are in alphabetically order. Ito na. Number 1, Darren Espanto. Yan. Diamante. Yan. Eliza Maturan. Ay Sigera. Inigo Pascual. Yon. Janab Sapla. Jada Abansado. Yan. Juan Carlos. Kasali yan. Yan. Gladys de Guzman. Casey Tandinan. Pasok na siya. Maki. Moira de la Torre. Rob Daniel, and TJ Mortede. Yan ay finalists for Male and Female Recording Artist of the Year. Or, I mean, Recording Artist of the Year. Yan. For me, may prediction ko, para mananalo po, we have 3. TJ Mortede, Ay Sigera, and Moira de la Torre. Ayawan na. Ayawan na natuloy kasi gusto mananalo si Ay Sigera. Sana wag na pong male-male eh. Gusto ko female eh. Kasi gaya kahapon sa PMPC Star Wars Facebook. Kasi ayaw kasi sa male. Gusto ko female. Sabi ko, nung na-reject na po sa female category si Ice, okay lang. Ipipray na natin yan. Sana wag na nanalo sa male. But good luck na lang sa mga recording artist finalists and hopefully mananalo si Ay Sigera dito sa ating edition nito. And congratulations and good luck. See you on June 25. Love you! Wawa! And yan po our latest vlog for this week. See you next time. Bye! God bless!